How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our traffic advising flash patterns and the slow and fast function on our optional direct control box with our Striker and MultiColor Virtue traffic advisors. So first up, I brought our Striker 6 in an amber color model. Now on my Striker, I'm using my optional direct control here. So I have my power button. Now I'll have 26 warning flash patterns in my warning mode, and I have mode 1 and mode 2 here with 2 flash pattern memories. Now when I get to my traffic advising functions, I have my center out, my left right, and right left here, but I'll go ahead and use center out for example. Now while I'm in my traffic advisor, I can hit my pattern button here, and you'll see I have 3 patterns I can select. So I can select my first pattern, this is my second, and I can hit my pattern button to go to my third flash pattern. Now that's 3 different traffic advising flash patterns to choose from, and that goes whether you're in center out, left right, or right left traffic advising. And then while you're in your traffic advisor or your warning modes, you can use your slow to fast switch here to have your light bar flash faster. And again, that works whether I'm in my traffic advisor, mode 2, or mode 1 for my warning flash patterns. So let's go ahead and go over our MultiColor Virtue. So here I brought our MultiColor Virtue 8 in a red, blue, amber color setup, and I'm using my optional direct control box. So I'll go ahead and activate my light bar here. Now I have 2 flash pattern memories with mode 1 and mode 2, and I have 28 available warning flash patterns to choose from, and that's in warning mode. Now I'll go over to my traffic advisor here. Now on your MultiColor Virtue series, you have 3 patterns in your multicolor functionality, 3 patterns in your primary, and 3 patterns in your secondary when it comes to your traffic advisor. So here's pattern 1 in center out in multicolor, and I can switch patterns by hitting my pattern button. That's pattern 2, and then pattern 3. And then past my multicolor flash patterns, I'll be into my primary color flash patterns. So I'll have my red, blue, and pattern 1, and then pattern 2, and then pattern 3, and then past my red, blue flash patterns, I'll have my amber flash patterns. So pattern 1 in amber, pattern 2, and pattern 3, and then past those, I'll be back into my multicolor flash patterns there for my traffic advisor. So with our MultiColor Virtue series, you do have the ability to run your light in multicolor, primary, or your secondary color while you're in your warning mode or while you're in your traffic advisor as well. And then the same thing here with your slow to fast switch. I can easily switch over to fast if I want my light bar to flash faster, and that works whether I'm in my traffic advisor or when I'm in my warning mode as well. And then finally on our direct control box, you'll also have your night mode functionality, which can be activated by button or hardwired by cable. And then you'll also have your other functions such as your aux here, where you can add up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of one switch box. So that covers our Striker and MultiColor Virtue traffic advisors, covering our traffic advising flash patterns and the slow to fast function. Make sure to watch our product demos on the product pages, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.